Impacted financially by the COVID-19 pandemic? We can help. The City of Fort Worth is accepting applications for emergency rental assistance.
Fort Worth residents can apply to get help with current and past due rent, utilities, and other housing expenses resulting from the coronavirus outbreak. Here are some examples of financial hardship that we can help with: overwhelming debts and bills, income reduction or work situation, personal or family difficulties, or medical bills and expenses. More examples are available on our website. Fort Worth renters may be eligible if their residence is within the city limits of Fort Worth or have experienced a reduction in household income or financial hardship due to the COVID-19 pandemic. For example, a family of 4 making less than $64,650 can qualify. A complete listing is available on our website. Scanning your documents prior to applying. For best results, use a desktop or laptop computer. You will be required to upload your documents including forms, bills, check stubs in PDF or JPEG formats.
Apply online by visiting fortworthtexas.gov or scan the QR code on the screen.
When you visit the Fort Worth City website, click on the Emergency Rental Assistance link in the yellow area. Once inside the link, we have several resources and checklists. You can find the application link by scrolling down. Here you will enter the Neighborly software, which will guide you through the steps. You are required to have a valid email address and register with a unique password. Be sure to save your password. On this screen, click on Tenant Rental and Utility Assistance and you are in. Review each page. Be sure you answer all questions and click on the Complete button on each section. On the right, you will see a checklist on the sections you have completed. In the Applicant Information section, make sure you list the exact address of your apartment and if information on others living with you. In order for your application to be processed completely, we require information for all members in your household. Make sure to tell us exactly how much you pay for rent, and provide your landlord information. All payments will be made directly to the landlord, property owners or utility providers. In the Assets section, we are requesting a bank account to deposit funds. If you don't have a bank account, just enter no assets and type in not available or NNA. Be sure to scan in your documents such as bills, unemployment letters before you begin. Examples of documents include layoff notices, past due notices, utility bills, eviction notices, and tax returns. We are also looking for your pay stubs showing loss of income or hours, rent payments, and canceled checks to your landlord. Missing documents will delay your application. Please allow 7 to 10 business days for processing your application. You can log into the Neighborly software and check your status anytime. We will also post notices of documents you are missing. You can also contact us by calling 817-392-7540.
Apply online for emergency rental assistance by visiting our website at fortworthtexas.gov.